Stuck on your infant evaluations? Looking for CEUs that actually count? Join Hallie Archer and Ready Set Connect for our latest course. Hallie Archer is a pediatric occupational therapist with over 18 years of specialized experience in infant and child development across a wide range of clinical settings. Infant functional assessment and intervention planning. A comprehensive guide to reflexes, tone, tummy time, rolling, and head control. Participants will learn core assessment skills, gain confidence in observing early developmental patterns, and apply intervention strategies that promote functional participation in daily routines. This course is offered by an AOTA-approved provider and provides 0.1 CU. Visit www.readysetconnect.com. Choose your course, purchase, and start immediately. Learn at your own pace on a user-friendly platform. Access videos and materials up to 5 years from the launch date. Replay sessions and download handouts anytime, completion certificate included. Learn on your terms.